Me say, yes, sir. And what you want or what you get? God deliver you out of me hand. I never shed a tears. All the while in Cossack in grandmother over there. And whenever time, whenever they hear when he argue with mama all the time or something. And we chase our mama all the while and something, so mama always make a big man know everything we are going. You understand? So mama took the phone yesterday now and call a big man and make a big man know what is what.
So, sir, as somebody who always have conflict with his grandmother?
Yeah. He ever have conflict with his grandmother. And mama grown up for we and raised up for we and none of we never disrespect to grandmother yet. Never. I lick in half of mama.
Man,
When he come there, mama yard not in a peace none at all. Every minute he my mama, every minute he my mama, every minute he my mama. Well, it up and me look about me breakfast. I eat me breakfast. And me see him. I want something, you know. I know get something from. I'm going to back. When I go in the back, I see him take up the board them and what have you. He say, what you do? He say, I go fix the fence. He said, the fence cannot fix without you have posts. That you can drive with the zinc on the post. He say, you can't do it without me because we have sufficient board to do it. I say, alright. So when me didn't know, when me look, I croak me come. He said, wait. All the while you come, you surprise me, man. You couldn't tell me say you not come. I said, Mama, so you go. And he turned to him and said, look here. Me hear all what you going on in here with Mama. And he can't walk. He can't walk. Long time you do it and me talk to you. And you still continue. You have to come out here now.
yeah. Alright,
You have to come out here now. Me nah come out and you can't take me out. You can't take me out from me no afraid for you. You're police but you can't do me nothing. I could have start taking suitcase and he put you out of veranda. And he start take the rest of something them and throw you out the veranda. Not throw out the same thing, them not throw out the same thing, them not throw you out. Because you can't get me out. Me no afraid for no police and me no afraid for no police but you can't shoot me. You see alright, you know just easy, just easy man, just easy. And he run in a kitchen for a big iron pipe, it big like me hand. And he come and he turn up man, I try my do before him. Me say, you know easy on yourself. And when me see that, me start to run out and me start to ball out for Jesus, And when me look at Claudette here and come, and Claudette said, Miss Utawa. And me I tell him, and he say, alright, Miss Ruth, ease yourself, mind your pressure, ease yourself, Miss Ruth. And he come up again, and that's what I do before him, brother. And Claudette back him behind and said, no man, not do that. And me dash out the house. TV, I hold on, and he kick off the back door, and Jesus God, and me run long and me run going a blue. And when me come back round, me see Kirk out there, so with the hand a bleed. Me say, what you, where boy there? He say, lie down. And so he set it in a house. He say, he see hand a bleed. He say, then what do you hand? He say, he take your hand pipe and lick him on the hand and he shoot him.